Hey everybody, it's Neil, and unfortunately I lost my Insta360 this past weekend when I was on vacation. But I'm gonna order a new one, and this here is a good pole for it. I got it's a 118-inch carbon fiber pole. So if you have one of those poles that disappears for your Insta360, or if you don't have one, you can get this one here. If you have one and you need a longer one, this one here should be the go-to for it. So let's check this out and see what we got here. Okay. Oops, everything fell out of it. 1 second. Grab the pieces and parts that fell out. So it looks like what fell out were it's like a GoPro mount for it. Okay. And then this is the stick here. Oh, it's got some foam on the bottom. And this is it. Comes with a nice little case. So packing it in your luggage and stuff, you're good to go. So that's what's one nice thing about it. With the other one I had, it would scratch things up. This one here won't scratch anything. So it's got the little nub on the top to take off to screw on your Insta360. So it comes with the little screw mount. I guess you could screw on pretty much any type of mount. Let me just take off my mount off of my other tripod here, and I'll show you guys it. So I have a little MagSafe mount. I could put that even on here. So then, if I wanted to, it would be useful for this as well. I could put a phone like that, and have a little MagSafe mount on my little selfie stick and my MagSafe mount angles and whatnot. But you get the idea, so you could do that on there. But let's go ahead and see how we do this one here. It looks like we rotate it. What does it say? Turn it. Oh, we turn it like this. Ooh, and then it gets long. That's just one segment right there. So I guess that's it. And then we can do that again here. Holy mackerel, this is gonna get ridiculously long, isn't it? So we get that one. Okay, and we have 2 more of these? Holy cow. Okay, this is gonna be too long. I didn't think it was this long, but the way it extends, it just extends super long. Okay, let me see. Okay, my ceiling is, I don't know how long it is, but you see it's on the floor, and you see it goes way up there. It's almost up at the top of the roof, so it's like 9 or 10 feet or something. It's big. So that, you could totally do your Insta360 from super far away. I'm excited to try this when I get my new one. I just have to get it going so I can do it. But look at this thing, it's just so long. Crazy. I totally didn't expect it to be this long. This is great. And then you just, I gotta go this way, I think, to do it. Yeah. So there, I can tighten it up, tighten it up here, loosen it to tighten it, loosen it up, put it down in there. And you see how it works. You just kind of loosen it and tighten it. And okay, if you've used these before, you loosen the little area up and then tighten it up. But you get the idea. So now it's nice and short again. But how cool is this? This is great. So it's totally adjustable on the sizes, and nice little selfie stick for sure. So I'm going to say this is awesome. What is it here? It's Braveheart. So if you need one of those sticks, a selfie stick, for your Insta360 or other type of camera or something like that, pick up one of these. You'll be totally happy, man. This is crazy. It got down to so small, and then it got so big. So really, really cool. So there it goes down again, down. And so yeah, so look, at small, it's like this. So this will pack in anything. You can just take this on your carry-on luggage or anything like that even. It'll fit. And then, see, mine will just fold down like that. You could even just put it into a little baggie and you're good to go. So this is great, and it gets huge. So totally awesome. Super cool. Thumbs up for sure.